think I mentioned earlier that the US is thinking about introducing a pharmaceutical tariff. This is what they call a sectoral tariff. They want to make sure that with this tariff, they are able to secure the supply chain for their pharmaceutical supplies. And there will be conditions attached to these tariffs, and if you want a concession on these tariffs. And they have offered Singapore to say that why not both Singapore and US can sit down and discuss some form of a concession for Singapore to have a beneficial or preferential tariff, even to the extent of a zero tariff. Some of the companies are actually taking advantage of this window of 90 days deferment to export as much as they can now, because the tariff has been deferred. But it is really no consolation, because this is advanced sales and exports. You are just selling ahead of time, which means in time to come, the exports and production will slow down. When we talk to our businesses, their feedback is also they are very concerned about this uncertainty, because they don't really know what the tariffs are going to be. Whether they are able to lock into longer-term orders is something they are concerned about, because if you lock into an order that is going to be delivered in 6 months, in 1 year's time, what the tariff will be at that time, they really have no visibility today. So I think to many businesses, this uncertainty is very worrying and very unsettling. Indeed, we are very concerned about the younger generation that are coming out into the job market, especially for the first time, and they're graduating from university, from the polytechnics, from ITs, they're looking for a job. We just want to tell these fresh graduates, don't worry, we are behind you, and we'll always be there to support you. And the first thing that we want to do is to work with the IHLs to see how we can strengthen our career advice, career guidance, and job fairs and the placement support for them. So I think that's the key message.